Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a font frame on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, after you add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the sticker at the bottom. And then at the menu, you can click on this icon, this frame icon. Click on it and swipe down until you can see this is a frame, font frame, and then click on it, and then now adjust the size like this with two finger, and then after this you just click check icon in here. For the adjust the video same with a frame, it's so simple. You just click on the video, and then at the menu you can swipe until you can see on mask, this one. Click on it and click on rectangle. Click on rectangle, and then after this you can adjust the size with this icon to like this, and then in here with this icon like this, and for this one with this icon like this. And then after this you can click check icon at the bottom. And now set the effect and set the frame until the end of the video. And finish. So that's how to add a font frame on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.